That doesn't mean robots aren't entering the industry. It is just not the way it's shown at trade shows. In reality, robots are already working in inspections and diagnostics. In California, inspections are a whole different level, especially when it comes to HVAC, water heaters, electrical panels, and everything related to the safety. Cameras, sensors, automated diagnostics, thermal imaging, those tools reduce technicians' time and lower the number of mistakes. And that's critical in a state where labor is expensive and finding qualified technicians is getting harder every year.